In this video, we explore the Sales Overview and take a tour of the sales features in Xero. Click Sales. Then select Sales Overview. The Sales Overview is where you can enter and manage quotes, invoices, and credit notes, and track amounts your customers owe you. Use the New drop-down to create an invoice, quote, repeating invoice, or credit note. Send statements and import sales if you record them in another system to save time entering them manually. Use the search field to quickly find invoices or quotes. You can search using the number, reference, customer, or amount. Use the Within drop-down to select which date Xero looks at for the search. Then enter a start and an end date to give Xero the date range. Tick Unsent Only to only view unsent invoices. Once you've entered your search criteria, click Search. Xero lists the matching invoices to the search criteria. Use the Sales Overview breadcrumb to return to the main overview page. Use Paid to view your paid invoices. Use Repeating to view repeating invoices you've set up. Click See All to view all your invoices on the main Invoices page. You can quickly create new transactions from the Invoices page. The New Invoice drop-down allows you to create a new or repeating invoice, or invoice to a contact group if you have any set up. There's also buttons to quickly create a new repeating invoice and a new credit note. Send statements to email activity or outstanding statements to your customers. Use Import to add multiple invoices to Xero or export to your invoices to a CSV file. Automate reminders for upcoming and overdue invoices from the Invoice Reminders button. You can see the number of invoices in different statuses and view them from the tabs. Click a Status tab to view the individual invoices that make up the total. Let's take a look at Awaiting Payment. Use the checkbox next to any invoices, then Print, Email, Deposit, or Copy to. Add an expected date to track when a customer is likely to pay you. Use the Sent column to confirm you've sent your invoice to your customer. When a customer opens the online invoice, the status changes to Viewed, so you know they've seen the invoice. Use the breadcrumb to return to the Sales Overview. Use the Status panel to view the number and value of invoices in Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Overdue status. You can click any status to see more details. The Money Coming In bar graph shows money owed to you, due in the current and previous 3 months, as well as older amounts owed and amounts due in future. Use the graph for a quick view of overdue and expected upcoming payments. Hover over a bar to see the invoices making up that total. If you click the graph, Xero takes you to a filtered view of the invoices. The Customers Owing the Most table lists the 5 customers who owe you the most and how much is due or overdue in red. Click Pie to change the view to a pie chart. It makes it easy to see the proportion of debt owed by each of the listed customers. Use All to view details of the 5 customers owing the most, or click an individual customer to view just their invoices. Like Invoices, quotes have a status panel showing the number and value in each state. Click a status to view the quotes that make up the total, and click See All to go to the main quotes page. Now you're familiar with the sales overview and invoices, you can view and manage your customer debts in Xero.